GiggleBerry friends! Come with me to the sunny pond. Our 5 little ducklings are ready to play. Let's count them together. 5 little ducklings splashed one day over the hill and far away. Mama duck quacked, "Come back to me," but only 4 little ducks came to see. 4 little ducklings flapped around. They waddled off without a sound. Mama duck quacked, "Where could you be?" But only 3 little ducks came to see. 3 little ducklings swam and played, diving low in the gentle waves. Mama duck quacked, "Come back to me," but only 2 little ducks came to see. 2 little ducklings danced in the sun, having their splashy, giggly fun. Mama duck quacked, "Where could you be?" But only 1 little duck came to see. 1 little duckling wandered far, chasing a floating, shining star. Mama duck quacked, "Come back to me," but no little ducks came to see. Mama duck waited by the shore. She quacked so gently once more, and over the hill down by the tree came 5 little ducks back happily. GiggleBerry! Yay! All the ducklings came home. Great job counting, GiggleBerry friends! See you next time for more songs and smiles!